Welcome to this Department of Workforce Development video about how to report earnings and other income on your unemployment claims. Earnings and other types of income may affect the amount of unemployment benefits payable to you each week. Earnings and other income must be reported on your weekly claim certification. If you perform any work during a week that you are claiming unemployment benefits, you must report how much money you earned. You must report your gross earnings, not your net earnings. You must also report the hours and minutes you worked. You must report your earnings in the week they were earned, the week that you worked, even if you have not yet been paid. Please visit dwd.wisconsin.gov/UIBEN/handbook for more information about reporting your earnings. Report your earnings each week on your weekly claim certification when you reach the income section. To report your earnings, answer the question, "During the week, did you work at all?" as yes, and click Next to continue. On the next page, select the employer you worked for during the week. If you worked for more than one employer during the week, select one employer from the list to provide your earnings from first. You will be able to report earnings from more employers later. If an employer you worked for is not listed, select none of the above and follow the instructions to add your employer. If you need help adding your employer, contact a Help Center agent. After selecting your employer, answer the question, "Is this a job where you earned sales commissions?" If you earn commissions from your employer, you will be given instructions on how to report those earnings. On the next page, enter the gross wages you earned in the week and the number of hours and minutes you worked for your employer. Gross wages are the total amount of money you earn before taxes and other deductions are subtracted from your salary. For more information about how to report or calculate your wages, review the instructions provided on this page or contact a Help Center agent. From the Work and Wages Summary page, you can update or remove what you reported. Next, answer the question, "During the week, did you work for any other employers?" If you worked for another employer, answer the question as yes, and follow the instructions to enter the wages you earned and hours and minutes you worked with your next employer. Repeat this process until you have added all the employers you worked for during the week. Next, report whether you missed work you were scheduled for with your employer. If you missed work, answer the question as yes, and click Next to provide more information about the work you missed. If you did not miss work, answer the question as no, and click Next to continue. Report any sick pay you received or will receive for the week from your employers. Next, report any bonus pay you received from your employers during the week. Report any holiday pay you received or will receive for the week from your employers. Report any dismissal pay you received or will receive for the week from your employers. This type of pay may also be called severance pay or termination pay. Answer no if you received a lump sum payment that your employer did not identify as dismissal, severance, or termination pay for the specific week listed above. If you are unsure, contact your employer. Other types of income must also be reported on your weekly claim. Common types of other income that must be reported include pay from an apprenticeship, babysitting, gifts from your employer, strike pay, room and board, incentive pay, income continuation, and workers' compensation. Please note that this list is not all-inclusive. For more information about other types of income, please visit dwd.wisconsin.gov/UIBEN/other-income.htm. If you are unsure if your income must be reported, contact a Help Center agent. To report other income, answer the question, "During the week, did you receive another type of income you haven't reported?" as yes, and click Next to provide more information about your other income. After you have added all other types of income you received, click Next to continue through the weekly claim certification. From the Income Summary page, you can update or remove any income you reported. You can also add any additional income you need to report. After you have added all of your income, click Next to continue through the weekly claim certification. Thank you for watching this Department of Workforce Development video about reporting earnings and other income. For more information on unemployment insurance or to file your claim, go to my.unemployment.wisconsin.gov.